If you are spending months learning ChatGPT, prompt engineering, or Python, hoping to get an AI job, stop for a minute. India's biggest companies have quietly changed what they are looking for. They no longer want people who can simply build AI. They want professionals who can use AI to solve real business problems. This shift is creating entirely new job roles, and if you understand them today, you will have huge advantage over everyone else. Let's break it down. If you are a job seeker, recruiter, HR professional, or someone preparing for the future of work, subscribe to the Recruiter Insights. Every week, we decode hiring trends and help you stay ahead. A recent CIEL HR study covering more than 200 companies across 9 industries reveals a major shift in AI hiring. Here is what stood out. 90% of companies are hiring AI professionals to improve customer solutions and operational efficiency. Demand for Agentic AI engineers has increased by 260% in the last year. Demand for forward deployed engineers has grown by 130%. Companies like EY, RPG Group, Volvo, Eicher, and Savilis India are actively hiring and reskilling employees for these new AI roles. This isn't just another hiring trend, it signals a fundamental change in how businesses want to use AI. Earlier, companies focused on hiring AI researchers, machine learning engineers, LLM developers, AI model builders, and so on. Their mission was simple: build AI. Today, companies are hiring AI application engineers, agentic AI engineers, forward deployed engineers, AI solution consultants, and so. Their mission is completely different. Use AI to solve business problems. That's the biggest shift. Over the last 2 years, almost every company experimented with AI. Many built chatbots, many tested generative AI, many purchased expensive AI tools. But then they asked one important question: how is this improving our business? That's when companies realized something. Building AI is only the beginning. Real value comes when AI reduces cost, improves productivity, speeds up delivery, enhances customer experience, creates measurable business outcomes. That's why hiring priorities have changed. Forward deployed engineer. Think of this person as a mix of software engineer, business consultant, and customer problem solver. Instead of sitting in the office writing code all day, they work closely with the customers, understand business challenges, and design AI-powered solutions. They are the bridge between technology and business. Agentic AI engineer. This is one of the hottest jobs in AI today. Instead of building a chatbot that waits for instructions, these engineers build AI agents that can plan tasks, make decisions, use multiple tools, automate workflows, complete complex process with minimal human supervision. As business move towards autonomous AI systems, demand for this role is exploding. For job seekers, this article sends a very clear message. Learning only ChatGPT, prompt engineering, Python is no longer enough. Companies now expect you to understand business problems, customer experience, AI automation, workflow optimization, APIs, cloud basics, communication. Technical skills get you shortlisted, but business understanding gets you hired. For freshers, instead of saying, I completed an AI course, show employers something practical. For example, resume screening system, HR chatbot, invoice automation, sales assistant. Projects becoming more valuable than certificates. Recruiters also need to evolve. Instead of searching only for AI engineers, start understanding new roles like AI solution engineer, agentic AI engineer, AI consultant, AI automation specialist, forward deployed engineer. Recruiters who understand these roles will become trusted advisors to clients instead of just sourcing resumes. For companies, the article also highlights something important. The smartest companies aren't only hiring new talent, they are investing heavily in reskilling existing employees. Why? Because it's often easier to teach AI to someone who already understands the business than to teach business to someone who only knows AI. That's the strategy many organizations will follow over the next few years. 5 key takeaways. AI hiring is growing rapidly. Companies are shifting from building AI to applying AI. Business knowledge is becoming as important as technical expertise. Practical projects matter more than certificates, and continuous learning will definitely define long-term career success. The biggest mistake you can make today is learning AI in isolation. The future doesn't belong to the person who knows the most AI tools. It belongs to the person who can combine AI with business knowledge and solve real world problems. That's exactly what India's top companies are hiring for today. Do you think AI professionals should focus more on coding AI models or on solving real business problems with AI? Share your thoughts in the comments.